DWP61ES, the 6-place setting countertop dishwasher. Now this unit will hold 6 place settings in its large stainless steel interior. The unit will hold plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter. The DWP61ES has 6 wash settings and will heat water up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, which is good for sanitizing things. Now at only 17.5 inches tall and 21 3/4 inches wide, this unit will fit easily on any kitchen counter, RV, or boat. Also, the DWP61ES is EdgeStar rated and only uses 3.5 gallons on a normal wash cycle. Finally, it comes with everything you need to get it hooked up and going, including an inlet and drain hose and a faucet adapter. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar DWP61ES, the 6-place setting EdgeStar rated countertop dishwasher by EdgeStar. Pick one up today.